How do you replace the battery and electrodes of the Philips FRx Defibrillator? Find out in this video. First, check the expiration date of the electrodes. You can find this on the front. If the electrodes are expired, replace them for new ones. On the battery you will find the install before date. This indicates when the battery should be inserted to use its maximum capacity. After insertion, this battery lasts approximately for 4 years. Then the defibrillator instructs you on what to do, so it performs a self-test.
Op gecontroleerd test van aan-uitknop.
When the green light flashes, the AED is ready to use again.